can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Algorand. What's our bull market exit plan for Algorand? Algorand is down 29% over the last 1 week. Altcoins have been taking a beating over the last 7 days. Where should we sell our Algorand for some sweet profit? We saw Algorand getting to new yearly highs. Algorand currently trades around the $0.41 level. Should we start selling right now? Should we wait for that one final pump? We'll take a look at Algorand's performance against the US dollar, Algorand performance against Bitcoin, Algorand's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at Algorand's market cap, which can still get to that $5 billion level, $15 billion region before the end of the year. There's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. We're living altcoin season. How will that affect the price of Algorand going forward? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. You want to become a member? Link in the description. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month I've seen altcoins pumping. The last 1 month I've seen Algorand rally up by 193%. Altcoins have been having a great time, but right now, guys, the last 1 week has seen a pullback in the altcoin market. The last 1 week has seen Algorand have a little retracement. But let's not get scared. Let's not get carried away. It happens all the time. The bull market don't just happen with us pumping in a straight line forever. At some point in time, the pullback is going to happen. But then, a lot of market participants are asking the $1 million question: is the bull market over? Is altcoin season over? Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town? We saw Algorand getting to as high as $0.59, and that was because we started pumping aggressively on the 4th of November. Started pumping from the $0.1 level. Algorand gave us more than a 500% pump, guys, in just 28 days. That's why I want to hold these altcoins. They can be very volatile, but then volatility works in both directions. We have been pumping over the last 4 weeks, and just one pullback saw Algorand losing around 28% of its value. That's why you want to be very careful. You don't want to be deceived, thinking it's up only from here, thinking 2025 is bullish, we're going to be going to the moon, yada. All the nonsense that is being said in the altcoin markets. You don't want to believe all those lies, guys. The market is still going to be the market. We're still going to see pumps. We're still going to see dumps. Your one job in the market is to make some profit. Your one job in the market is to buy low and sell high. Now, we might see Algorand still come back to test the previous yearly highs, which is around $0.33. That's where we got to in March of 2024. We faced a lot of resistance there. We took a while to blast above that $0.29 level. So I'll not be shocked to see Algorand coming to retest that key level. If Algorand gets there, it would have meant would have gone to as high as $0.59, would have retraced by around 50%, which is the normal occurrence in the altcoin market. When we're pumping to higher prices, it is normal for us to see 50% dumps along the way. Take a look at what Algorand did in August 2020 before rally to new all-time highs. We saw a wonderful 70% dump. And as we continue pumping, we saw another dump again. This time around, it was not 70%. This time around, it was a 50% dump. We continue pumping. We still saw one more big dump to Goblin Town. We saw Algorand giving us a negative 60% dump before it eventually got to new all-time highs. So you have to be patient in the altcoin market. It's a very tricky terrain. At the same time, you have to be taking some profits along the way. Remember, the bull run doesn't last forever. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should get into cash. Because when there's pullbacks like this, when there's the bear market, you have some liquid cash to take advantage of those opportunities. And those people that went all in, those people that were using leverage right now, they have gotten liquidated. That's why you want to avoid all those financial products. You want to plan your trade and trade your plan. And right now, the plan is waiting for that one final pump to the moon. If you want to get some Algorand tokens, guys, you can get some Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Kraken. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Algorand tokens right there. Algorand's all-time high sits around $3.28. We got there in 2019. Algorand is down 87% from that all-time high. So now let's look at Algorand's performance against the US dollar. Taking a look at Algorand's performance against the US dollar. Let's take a look at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, Algorand has been dumping to Goblin Town, but then the last 4 weeks saw it pumping aggressively, saw it outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin already got to $100,000. A lot of people started flipping their Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market. We saw Algorand rallying up by around 290% against Bitcoin in 35 days. But right now, I've seen a pullback. Right now, I've seen Algorand coming back to test some resistance. maybe just maybe we'll get that one final pump. Guys, the final pump is not guaranteed. We can easily get that one final pump, or we can easily continue dumping to gobbling town. And with the opinion, we'll get that one final pump in 2024, but that will be the best time to take some profit. But that will be when market participants will be very, very strong will that will continue pumping to the moon. Let's paint a scenario where Algorand will first rally above where we're trading right now. Imagine Algorand's rally above where we're trading, the $0.41 level. We see Algorand getting to as high as $1. How will you get market participants to sell then? They will not believe that that's the end of the rally. They'll tell you we're going to the moon, we're going to new all-time highs, buy more, bet more, all the normal things retail investors are going to say. But remember, if you want to make more money long term, you have to be smart. You have to buy low. You have to buy when Algorand is trading around that $0.1, $0.2 level. And the higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. Nobody can time the top. Nobody can time the bottom. Your number one job is to buy as low as the bottom and sell as high as the top. Now we're in altcoin season, which is good to see. But right now, altcoin season index tells us we're leaving altcoin season, guys. You don't know what altcoin season is? If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. If they do better than Bitcoin over a 30-day period, that's an altcoin month. It's weird seasons, but we have seen the crypto market go into altcoin season and altcoin month at the same time. It's been long we saw this kind of price action, and the last 1 month has reflected that, with altcoins going parabolic and Bitcoin just going sideways. But that doesn't last forever. Historically, that has signaled the end of a bull market cycle. That's why I believe 2024 is going to be very bullish. It has turned out to be very, very bullish, but 2025 is going to be very, very bearish for the altcoin market. So I believe Algorand and other altcoins are going to see huge dumps in 2025. That's why you want to flip your Algorand back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum, the more it gains value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because if you look at the trend, it has been dumping to gobbling town ever since it set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now we're in a bull market. What do market participants do in a bull market? In the bull market, market participants start flipping their Bitcoin and Ethereum back into altcoin market. That's why you see Algorand outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But the reverse the case in the bear market, which we see a lot of times in the cryptocurrency market. 90% of the time, the cryptocurrency market is bearish or moving sideways. And those times, you see people running to safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. So in 2025, I expect to see people flipping their Algorand back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum. That's why you want to have a plan. You want to know exactly where you'll be selling for some sweet profit, guys. If you don't have a plan, you are already planning to fail. Right now, there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, which is a good thing. Extreme greed has always led to huge optimism, which has led to higher prices. But remember, extreme greed doesn't last forever. At some point in time, we'll be going to extreme fear. Right now, there's extreme greed in the market. But remember, if you get to extreme fear, there will be panic, there will be pandemonium. What we'll do in that time frame, if you don't have some profits on the side, you'll not be able to take advantage of any defect in price that we'll see in the coming days and coming weeks. So a profit on the side, have some cash on the side, is going to be your defense against the brutal bear market ahead of us. Algorand's market cap got to the $5 billion level. Right now, it has gotten a pullback back to $3 billion. That one final pump can see us blast above $5 billion. But guys, I will not be shocked if the top is in for Algorand. I know this is not a popular take, but it is what it is. Algorand could easily have topped already. We've seen it outperform Bitcoin. We've seen it outperform Ethereum. We've seen it set new yearly highs. We've seen it over the last 3 weeks rally up by around 500%. What more can we ask for? I hear you. We can ask for a new all-time highs, but let's not get too greedy. Let's not get too fearful. That's the number one rule in the market. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Do you think Algorand's market cap can still get to $15 billion? For it to get $15 billion right now, we need a magic. We need to see Algorand pump by 330%. Do you think that one final pump will be that aggressive? Are you still buying more Algorand tokens right now, or are you selling some for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.